JusTika, and now I'm back here with another wig review for y'all. In today's video, I want to come and show off this wig that is from Bobbi Boss. Basically, what I got going on here is Bobbi Boss Glueless Lace Wig, and I have this style in the style MLF238 Blake. This is one of their newest wigs, and this is part of Bobbi Boss's Glueless Wig. So if you are a type of chick that don't really like to wear, don't really want to wear your wigs glued down, they have made this series just for you. If you are interested in this unit that I do have on my hair, like this particular style, I did actually do a hair review on this style. I'll leave the link to this style in the description box below for you if you are interested. And the color that I have is a different color that I have not tried before, so y'all, I'm really excited. So this is the color FLGREY. So what that means is it's just basically that salt and pepper color throughout the entire wig. Now this is a really cute bob. I do love how the curl, how it's curled under. That's really pretty. So it's not just like a straight cut bob. It does look like it does have quite a few of layers in the front, which is really pretty. And I believe that this is a really cute color. I like the color blend. The texture of the hair is really soft. It does say that it's pre-plucked, and it does have your undetectable lace. It lays flat for glueless security and style, and it has your free part. And you can add some heat onto this wig, and I will be showing you guys in just a moment whenever I start styling this wig. And it's UV protection from the sun. It has no antibacterial, and the cap is very breathable for you. Your hair will be able to breathe through it, and you'll be very comfortable. I did want to try this color out in Sicily, I believe, which I did do a review on that wig as well. So if you do want to see that wig, girl, go ahead and check that video out, because I did review Bobbi Boss Sicily as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get this styling, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. I'm really excited to see how I'm gonna look with this salt and pepper color, because like I said, I have not tried out this color, and I wanted to try this color out in the Sicily wig, but it was really hard trying to get my hands on that color. So I'm excited to see how I'm gonna look in this color. Whoo, girl, I look a little sexy, a sexy little thing, a little sexy little hot mama, huh? So far this wig is very cute. It's like giving, like, girl, like this color, baby, like this hair color is really pretty. It's like the texture of it feels really soft, and this is definitely gonna be one of your summertime wigs, because baby, this, let me give you all the juice, baby. Here is the back of it. Y'all, like, I'm already happy, like, because I did not know how I was gonna look in this salt and pepper color, but this color is so freaking cute. Like, and they done, like, look at this, look at this, like they got it on point with each angle. Like, the cut is perfect. Like, I'm like so ready to go ahead and finish styling this wig, y'all. But so far it's very much giving, like, I don't know what to tell y'all, but it still is giving, baby. You can't tell me nothing. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. All right, so first things first, to prep this wig, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay foundation. Now, I did buy this from Walmart for like $5 and some change, and I'm using the shade 360, and this is the mocha shade. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my makeup brush, which is just one of these brushes. I think this is actually a blending brush, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just gonna take just a little bit of that, like so. And I'm just gonna spread it out like that, just so I can get a little bit of foundation onto my brush. Dab it like this throughout the entire wig. And this is like the newest method that I've recently been trying out, because I've been trying out like different wigs, like different ways to lay my wig lately. Go ahead and give you the specs about this style, y'all. Okay, so first of all, you already know that I most definitely love this wig. I most definitely really love this hairstyle. Like this hairstyle, like you literally have to get this wig, like this particular style, for the summertime. Now I'm in Arizona and it gets like really hot, like hell hot out here. Okay, this is gonna be the styles that I'm gonna be rocking for the summertime. Okay, it's short and it's so lightweight, and this hair feels so soft. Okay, I did go in and use my Evan New York Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, and this is the active one. Now with this spray, it comes in a black can, a red can like this one, and also a yellow can. But the red one is just basically if you like sweat a lot, this one will do. And if you like gotta go to work or whatever and you want to make sure your lace is held down, the red can works really well as the black can, which I'll show you in just a second. So this is the black one, and this is the Supreme hold, and this is the Supreme and this is the active one. But they both have extreme firm hold for the both of them, so either one of these cans will actually work for you. So if you want to buy the black one, you can do that, and if you want to buy the red one, you can. But I would not suggest for you to buy Ebony New York, the yellow can, because the yellow one didn't really have that much hold. Because if I'm not mistaken, the yellow one was actually the first one. God, y'all, I'm so sorry, I'm spitting all over the place. The yellow can was actually the first can that they came out with. I really love this style. This style is really cute. It's very affordable, and I'm telling you, this is most definitely a style that you're gonna need, because if you don't go out and buy this style today after you've seen this wig review, I guarantee you that this style is most definitely gonna be out of stock. And to be honest, people are really like, everybody really gonna be buying this hair color. So this is a style that you definitely gonna need. I like to use, like this is like legit my holy grail edge control, and this is the Gummy Professional Keratin Complex Styling Wax with the extra hold. I bought this from, I believe, Sam's Beauty, but I only bought it because when at the time they had like a little sale. But I legit love this edge control because it has a really good hold to it, and especially out here in the heat, it has a really good hold to it. So if you can, try to invest in this Gummy Professional. And I did also see this on Amazon because I'm running low on this, but this is what the inside of the edge control look like, and it has a really good hold to it, and it smells really good. It smells like watermelons or strawberries or something. I like to use a hair wax stick, because whenever you use this, whenever you're trying to you know, style your wig, a wax stick is the best thing for you to be using because it helps with the flyaways whenever you go in with your you know, your flat iron or your straightening comb. It helps a lot to lay down the humpage, and it helps a lot with the flyaways. And that is one thing that I had with this wig whenever I was styling this hair, that I did have to, you know, work with the flyaways. So, you know, like I said, I just went in with the wax stick, and this wax stick really did help and helped me to style this wig to you know, to my liking. Now, I ain't no professional or anything like that, but I do know a little bit something about laying down a wig, and I do know a little bit something to the point where I ain't gonna go have y'all looking crazy as myself going out looking crazy. So many of you have been asking me about this powder. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 355 Coconut. You can buy this from like Walgreens or Walmart, Target, anywhere that sells drugstore makeup, and you would actually love this. Now, I'm probably gonna end up buying the darker shade because I feel like this 355 is like way too light. So that's probably why the front is like way too light for my liking. It probably look a little bit crazy or something like that, but I'm probably gonna like go out and go buy the shade 360 and, you know, kind of see how my lace turns out looking, because I really want it to look like very realistic. So, but for the most part, I do know that it looks really realistic. And Bobbi Boss, they knew exactly what they were doing when they came to style this wig. They knew exactly what they were came into. They knew exactly what they wanted, and they have basically finessed this style. Like, it'd be really cute if you guys came out with like black and blue or something like that, like something very bright, or ooh, even a black and a hot pink. That'd be real cute. Like, yeah, black and hot pink, that'd be real cute. But I mean, that's just some suggestion colors that, you know, I'm suggesting. You know, you don't have to come out with that, but I'm just saying that this hairstyle would be really cute if it was a vibrant blue, like a vibrant navy blue, because y'all do have some blue wigs from your hairline, and I think it's Hera, I think. And that wig, and Gabby came in that wig. It was like a vibrant blue color, but that was a cute color. Or you could do, like I said, the hot pink and the black would be really cute. But when it came to the back, I would suggest for you to kind of like shape it up a little bit to kind of make it look more of like an angled bob, because I feel like that's one thing that they should do, is do like kind of like, you know what I mean, like kind of like feather it out or layer it or something like that back there. I don't know, I just feel like that's also something that would be a really good thing with this wig if it was like more like layered back there. But this wig is still cute, and I think that you most definitely love this wig. Like I said, take my word for it. Take my word for it. You're gonna love this wig, especially in this hair color, especially in the natural hair color. But I think I've covered everything that I have to cover for you. I hope to see you back in my next wig review, which I do have another wig that I want to show you guys, and some more hair projects that I want to do, that I want to try. But subscribe to my channel, follow me on TikTok, follow me on my Instagram page. I do have a Facebook as well, so follow me there. And I hope to see you in my next video. Make sure y'all drinking up all y'all water. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe out there. And yeah, peace out, you guys.